When you start to extract this folder, I already extracted, just you can extract this folder and go to that Adobe folder, Adobe Premiere 2018. Then you go to the product file, then setup file is not installed, so you go to the product file, follow my procedure, go to the product file, there PPR, that folder you can click and go to, and you will get another one exe file. Just you can extract that one and go to that, you get one and go to universal and go to that app, you get it for the Adobe Premiere Pro exe file. Just double click that one, double click or give a run at administrative, just you can run at administrative. After you go to create this desktop shortcut, just go and create a desktop shortcut for this. Select and right click and send it to desktop shortcut. I already created, so I am not doing it. Already created. Now you go to check how the software is working. To turn on this internet and go to check how it's work. Just refresh this page and go to the Premiere. First the pop-up window will be open. The operating system only Windows is compressible, but it's not a problem. Windows 7 also is installed. Just to give OK. It only OK, then Windows 10 latest version it's mentioned like that. It's not a big issue. Just ignore and go OK. It will be stopped program. It is full setup, no problem. It's not have any issue for an installation. Just to install it, just to select that file to new file. You can preview this work pages. After seeing that, open the Premiere Pro, it's fully functional Windows. Just you can see this. There is no error to open. It is easy to install, no problem. In future also it's lifetime accessibility. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please keep support my channel. For more videos, click notification bell icon. Thank you.